Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to download a Korean video, a Korean drama or movies using only your phones. Okay, so are you excited, guys? I'm sure you are excited already. So the first thing you need to do is download a downloader on your phone, which can be downloaded in the Play Store. Okay, in my case, I already installed the app on my phone, and this is how it looks like. Okay, IDM, this one, the blue one. Okay, click the IDM app. So guys, IDM, it serves as a downloader at the same time as a website. Okay, now we are here. First thing that you need to do, oh by the way, these are the things or the drama that I already downloaded. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do after coming here is to click the globe's sign or icon here beside the U. Okay, click it and you'll be directed to the website. Okay, so type the website where you wanted to download your video. Okay, in my case, I am using .sh, but you can also use another website such as Drama Cool by Asian TV. It's up to you guys and what you will choose. Okay, so in my case, I will choose Kiss Asian. Enter. My data is not yet on. Sorry. Okay, this is the home page for the Kiss Asian website. All I need to do is type the drama that I wanted to download. Or if you don't know what to download, then you can search here or scroll, but in my case I'll type robot. I'm not a robot. Okay, I like to download this one, the third one. Okay, click this. If a tab will open, guys, just close this one because it's only an advertisement. Okay, sometimes the IDM app is annoying because of its advertisement, but it's actually nice because it downloads the video quick, so I prefer to use this. Okay, so I'll download the episode 1. Close the advertisement, go back. Okay, so here you will be asked, are you human? Okay, choose the 2 suitable images for. Okay, so you need to click what are the picture or what the picture is showing to us. So there we are trying to find the factioning. Okay, here, so click, and then girl balloon. Okay, there. And then automatically you will be directed to the video. Okay, scroll down. Okay, here you cannot click the download button, so you will choose another server. Okay, you can choose MP or beta to download the video. So in my case, I will try to use MP. Okay, I'll scroll down to see if, again, I will scroll down to see if the download button appears. Okay, here we can see it. So click here to download. Click this one. Okay, if the advertisement will pop up, just close, go back, click again, and then you'll be directed to this, okay, download file. You can rename the video, save as. Okay, I'll rename it as I'm Not a Robot Episode 1. Okay, then click start. So the file now is downloading. Okay, you click the untitled tab and close this one. Okay, you can see here that your file is already downloading. This one. Okay, it shows the percentage. Okay, 0% of 325.5 MB. So meaning the size of the video that you are downloading is this one. Okay, you can also download as many as possible, as many as you can, but take note that when you download, if there are lots of downloads, it will affect the speed of the downloading process. So it is much advisable to download a file one by one so that it will download faster. Okay, about the IDM app, IDM can download not only videos, it can also download MP3, MP4, FLB, and not limited up to that. We can also use IDM to download PowerPoints. You can also use this to download PDF files, documents. Okay, so imagine only one app, but can download many file extensions in many formats. So it's a win-to-win situation if you will download the app IDM. Okay, let's see. %, 17%. Actually, guys, there are lots of websites wherein you can download videos. You can use yts.ag to download Hollywood movies. You can go also to uTorrent to download movies in your laptop, but in our case we are only using our cell phones. So for our cell phones, IDM is really a must for us to have. Okay, so balik tayo dito. Okay, 99.9%. Kulang na naman isa. Para ma-download na natin talaga ang video. Okay, malapit na. Okay, here we go. It's already 100%. So now it's available for us to watch. Click. And there you go. You can watch your video. so easy, and it's easy to use, and it's all free. Okay, so I hope guys na may natutunan kayo sa aking tutorial for today. Okay, again, ang IDM is, ang kagandahan ng app na ito is free po siya. Nakaka-download po siya ng kahit na anong formats. FLV, MP4, AVE, and so on. And not only limited to that, it can also download documents such as PDF files, PowerPoint files, Excel files, and so on. Thank you for watching, and sana may natutunan po kayo. If you have any comments, please comment it on the box or below, and see you soon. Goodbye and thank you.